There's an alternative, there's always a third way, and it's not a combination of other two ways. It's a different way, are exactly the words of David Carradine in view of the massive traffic disruption due to the ongoing construction work on the Umiam bridge. Vehicles coming from Guwahati or going to Guwahati have to wait for hours just to cross the Umiam bridge. Here's a report.
The wait is more as most drivers are not taking alternative route, which makes it difficult for the travelers to travel through that route. Long queues of vehicles waiting to cross Umiam Dam at the north and south ends are a regular sight nowadays, and the police are advising travelers to avoid it and take alternate routes. In order to cut down on congestion, vehicles proceeding from Guwahati or elsewhere towards Shillong or vice versa should use one of two alternate routes, East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police Rituraj Ravi said.
We had issued an appeal that there are alternate routes and two alternate routes which we have put in public domain, and we urge people that as per their convenience, as per their suitability, they should take these alternate routes so that they don't have to wait in the queue for a longer time, and we reduce inconvenience to the commuters.
These are the VIP road from Maulai Mauro, Tri Junction to Mautawar Junction, Nok Lo, Mausiat Knam, and Umroi Airport or the Maudiang Diang Ding Pasok Road from Nongmansong to Negrims, Tinring, Shillong Bypass, and Ding Pasok. DD News Shillong shows you the alternate route that the police are talking about. Nearly an empty route serves as an alternative. Many people miss their flights, while for many, they cannot think of visiting Shillong or Sora and returning the same day. However, this alternate route for time being will help you to avoid traffic congestion and reach your destination on time. It may be mentioned that the retrofitting work on the Umiam Dam initially set to conclude in April. Now, the state government says it will delay further, and most likely by July end, the work may get completed. For several months now, people have been facing problems with no respite from the prolonged traffic queues. The traffic jam caused before reaching the Umiam bridge, as only one lane remains open at a time. Queue jumpers are sometimes a cause of annoyance, as several cars ferrying people who might have a genuine inability to wait behind the others end up suffering.
जैसा कि कितना टाइम में तो हम लोग को पैसेंजर को फ्लाइट भी मिस हो जाता है, तो हम लोग को 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा पहले बोलना पड़ता है कि जल्दी चलो, और यहाँ का ट्रैफिक के हिसाब से चलना पड़ता है। इससे पहले कितना टाइम में तो फ्लाइट मिस हो गया पैसेंजर का
है, लेकिन वो नगरी में होके आने से तो वो भी जाम में फंसता है आके, तो जो बाईपास से जाता है तो बहुत लंबा ही पड़ता है, उधर से तेल ज़्यादा खाता है, उधर से तो हम लोग नहीं जाते, टैक्सी करके हम लोग को।
उधर का जो रूट है ना, उधर का रूट बहुत ख़राब है, क्योंकि आप जैसे जा नहीं सकते हैं गाड़ी को, जैसे पत्थर वगैरह है और बारिश भी हो रहा है, इसलिए गाड़ी आपको उधर से जा नहीं सकता है, मेन रूट से ही जाना पड़ेगा।
The delay occurred in the completion of the rehabilitation of the Umiam Dam and retrofitting of the bridge after the Indian Institute of Technology IIT Guwahati has suggested going for concrete surfacing of the top of the structure. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.